In the last video, we created two tables, add-on sales with their relationship to add-on sales products. I did miss one thing on the product side. We did a lookup. I created another field called products and did a lookup into the products. I also forgot to mention is once you are done with creating these tables, you always want to make sure you want to publish. So once you publish, this will allow the tables to be accessible out in the apps and environment. So now that we've created the table, we want to go and create the form. So I'm going to come into my apps. I've got these different apps here. I'm going to go into edit my customer service hub. And on the left-hand side, we now have a couple different screens. We've got this page, like a breakdown menu. We've got pages, we've got navigation in your app, and automation. So what I'm going to do is create a new page. Now, in this case, we have Dataverse table, which is what we created, a dashboard, and then a custom page that would be a Canvas app. In our case, we want to use Dataverse table. And if we come down, we see add-on sales. I only want the add-on sales right now because the add-on sales products is going to be a subgrid. If you do not see the add-on sales or do not see the new tables, come up here and restart the screen and refresh the screen and you will see them. So I'm going to click add-on sales. Now add-on sales is underneath my work. What I want to do is move down I'm going to put it underneath cases and queues. We got there. Now, in this case, we have a description and a created on. This is coming from a view, so we can go back in later and alter the view. Because right now, or we can do it here. So I'm just going to hit save. And this is the same publish up here that works. I can save this. It's going to save to the environment, but it's not going to publish it out to the screens until I click publish. Wait until it's done saving. We're going to come over, look at the view. Now this is the view that's here. We're going to edit this view. Instead of description and create it on, we're going to also add institution, contact. We're going to do the owner, and we'll do a date. Now what we're going to do is move these around a little bit. So drag, create it on, make that a little bigger just in case. Description can be large. So we may even just remove that created on. Put the contact over here, what date, let's do that. And then the owner. In that case, I'm going to save and publish. These are the active add-on sales. what this is doing is allowing us to change the view, the original initial view that we're going to see when we get to that record. So if I go back, come down here, we can actually click on forms, and now we're starting to see the form as well. So this is where I'm going to change the views one more time before we get to the view add-on. So I'm going to take a little snippet. And make sure our inactive view is identical. And we can do, remember how I clicked on add, we can also do a couple different ways. So that's how we edit the views inside of the environment. Nice and simple, drag and drop.